Ethnic group in the Philippines. Filipino are specific islanders, so it's not surprising to know that there are many ethnic groups in the Philippines that shape the culture, the tradition of the country. Tagalog as one of the major ethnic groups in the Philippines. Most of these local are living in National Capital Region in NCR, Region 4A Calabarzon, and Region 4B Mimaropa, and have a strong political influence in the country. Ilocano, they mostly reside within the Ilocos region and some part of Cagayan Valley region. They are known for being prudent and hardworking. This group ethnic of the Philippines continuously. Kapampangan is also called Pampango, ethno-linguistic group living in the Philippines principally in the central plain of Luzon, especially in the province of Pampanga, but also in the part of Bicolano people or Bicolanos. Males are usually refers to Bicolano and Bicolana is used to female. There are largely an agriculture and rural people produce. Aitas live in the mountainous province of Zambales. Their way of living is simple and very traditional, especially when it comes to hunting for foods. The Igorots are found in Cordillera Administrative Region. This ethnic group in Cordillera made some of the Philippines' destinations popular, such as Banawi rice terraces. Most of popular ethno-linguistic in the Philippines are the Ivatan because of their notable traits such as handworking and honest. Mangyan is still practicing their old tradition and culture in the hopes of preserving them. One of their tradition is writing ambahan, a form of poem, and they carve it in bamboo. Cebuano are the major ethnic group in the Philippines. Most of these people live in Cebu and some part of Mindanao. They are known for being creative, soft-spoken, and calm. The Philippines with description would have to be Ilonggo people because when you hear Ilonggo, the best word that describe them is tender. They are sweet and soft-spoken. Ilonggo live in Iloilo, Panay, Guimaras, and Negros. Waray people are the ethnic group in the Philippines that you found in Samar and Leyte. They are known for being brave and strong, yet very loving, especially when it comes to their family. While they look similar to speak different language, but like Aitas, hunting is a huge part of their way of living. They are mostly found in Aklan, Capiz, Antique, and Iloilo. The sold non-Filipino intensity is popular of their culture dance, Binanog, where they mimic the movement of a eagle while using agong. This example of ethnic group in the Philippines live in Capiz, Lambunao. The Bajau tribes in Philippines can be found in Zamboanga and Sulu where they live above the water. That's why they called are sea nomads. The people of the ethno-linguistic group in Mindanao are also good. There are many different races in the Philippines and each of them has their own distinct features. Yakan is an ethnic group of the Philippines living in Basilan, their culture. The Baalan group live in South Cotabato and Davao del Sur. They are famous for making clothes made of abaca at Lanao del Norte, which means Lake of Lanao del Sur and Lanao del Norte. This Filipino intensity made the traditional clothing malong popular across the country. Puli is the one of ethno-linguistic group in Mindanao that are very popular. They are known for their beautiful and color traditional clothes called binalawag. This Filipino ethnic group live in South Cotabato and Southern Mindanao. The Tausug people are the one of the fifth ethnic group in the Philippines that are notable, known as the people of the current Tausug live above the Sea of Sulu with their floating house. It is believed that the Bagubos are the first to encounter Spanish colonizer. However, the Spanish failed to colonize
Kick.